Okay, so today we are trying a jicama. I have known about jicamas for forever.
Yeah, because we live in Southern California.
But I don't remember if I've ever had one.
It's been a couple years for me.
So you are more familiar with the taste than I am.
Yeah, just barely.
What is your recollection of it?
I don't remember.
All right, we're gonna find out together. So we're gonna be cutting it into strips because that's what we've seen most people like to do with it. And it is a root. Does that smell? There's the inside. Looks like a potato. We got, this is lemon juice, right?
Lime.
Lime juice. And we have tahini, because we're gonna spice it up.
Can you say it again, please?
Say what?
Can you say tahini again?
Tajin. Tajin. Just say it like it's spelled. Tahini. The Jicama. The Jeremy.
Why are you like this?
Maybe I have had it before. I'll try it with that first. Doesn't taste like much.
Dip it in there and dip it
Put some lemon or some lime
in there. Yeah, lime.
and some tahini. Alright.
You see the appeal.
Yeah, I'm not sure how much of this flavor is from the jicama itself. It seems like it's just a delivery method for the rest of this. Not bad. This is a good snack.
Yeah. It's like a potato and a peach and a baby.
Yeah, it's like alone, it almost seems like it's got some sort of sweetness.
Just a little.
It's like very faint. It's very crisp. I do like that. It's like crisp like a carrot. And I could just eat this by itself. There's nothing about it that like leaves a taste in my mouth. And like, I don't know if I would eventually get sick of it. There's only one way to find out, but
Yeah. Just keep eating it constantly.
keep eating it until you get sick of it.
Ta-da.
Yeah. There's got to be more stuff you can do with this, like recipe-wise, because this strikes me as very versatile. Like, in the same way that a potato would be. It's just like a crispy, watery potato. We're gonna have to try some more stuff with this. I like it.
Good. We have a lot.
Yeah. They can get pretty big. I got one that was kind of like medium. But that's jicama. We're gonna try experimenting with this in other ways. But just eating it in strips is pretty good.
Yeah, it's a snack.
Yeah. Snack.